Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So as you can tell from the title, I'm doing something very fresh, something very springy, because that's what I want to do today. I am sick of winter and I am ready for everything, all the snow to be gone. And yeah, I already cleansed my skin today. I used the Drops to Use Foaming Face Wash. Now I'm going in with the Clearasil facial pads. These are the deep pore cleansing facial pads. I use these because they help with exfoliating my skin. They help with any breakouts that I might have. I mainly focus to use them within my mouth area, just because I get a lot of texture down here. I also use them on my forehead. And I think that these have made the biggest difference with my skin, along with using the Clearasil face wash, the same one that goes with this product. I only use that at night though. Those are the two products I use currently to help my skin because they have salicylic acid in them. I prefer to use products that are cruelty free, but can't always do that. Well, you can. I don't want to spend that much money right now. And I know someday I will invest in that skincare, but it's not today. These might dry out your skin a lot, but I have more oily skin and my skin builds up very fast with texture and dry skin and all that stuff because my skin's a mixture of oily and dehydrated. So it's a combination for this blissfulness of acne. Next, I'm going to use the Drops of Youth. This is the Youth Concentrating Serum. I've been on and off with this product for many years. As some of you may know, I worked for the Body Shop. And anyway, I like this product because it adds a hydration back into my skin. It contains plant stem cells to help with cell rejuvenation. And it also contains hyaluronic acid that can help to lock in some moisture into your skin. And before you go in with your moisturizer, you want to wait to make sure that this is dry and not super tacky before you go into moisture, because you want your skin to absorb it before you put another product on top. So while the serum is sinking into my skin, before I apply my moisturizer, I'm going to apply my eye cream. This is the Drops of Youth, Drops of Light eye cream from the Body Shop. Again, this is another product I've been on and off of for a couple of years now. I like this product just because it is, it has a tint into it. Because it has a tint into it. Plus, the Drops of Light line, it contains a red sea algae and vitamin C, so it can help with brightening your skin over time. Again, this doesn't have any chemicals in it, so it's going to slowly brighten your skin. I like this eye cream just because it's really hydrating as well. And hydration is something that can help to improve dark circles. And some people find this weird, but I take whatever eye cream I have and I put it on my lips, because your skin is so different in different areas, but like your under eye skin is very thin and your lips are also really thin, so why not apply it to your lips? Alright, so next, after everything has sunken in, going in with the vitamin C. This is the Glow Boosting Day Moisturizer. This is, like, when I worked there, this was like one of our top selling products. Like, it was strange if we weren't sold out of it. It's a really nice gel moisturizer. It's not too heavy on the skin. And again, it just sits in beautifully. Oh yeah, the vitamin C can help to brighten and energize your skin. People are weird by like those terms, energizing and stuff, but like, again, it's the same idea that you're just kind of wakening up your skin. Vitamin C is a controversial thing, whether or not you apply it in the day or you apply it in the night. I apply mine in the day. I don't always do skincare. I will do half a skincare routine, like I'll stop at the serum and then we'll apply the moisturizer. But currently my skin is feeling pretty dehydrated, so that's why I am applying my moisturizer to the makeup. When I think of spring and like a fresh look, I think of more like soft pinks and glowy skin. And that's what I'm going to do today. So to begin, I'm going to use just this from the Body Shop. This is their Lightning Touch Concealer. I'm applying this first because it is more of a peachy tone, and this will be good for semi-color correct. on to, we'll do a little bit of foundation. So when I usually use a fresh foundation or like a light foundation, I use the Body Shop Fresh Nude Foundation. It's a light to medium coverage, but I don't have that right now in my shade, so I'm just going to use the CoverGirl True Blend. I'm getting very low, so I have to take the wand out. I'm just going to dab a couple little dots around the face. We're not going for heavy coverage, so just a little bit. Take my beauty sponge, put the fluffy on it, and begin to blend that out. It's just to help to correct the color difference between my face and my body. Right now I'm pretty pale, so it's not a huge difference. And it's going to add just a little bit of coverage where we think we need it. Still have a couple blemishes sticking through, so I'm just going to take a little bit more. We're going to do just a little bit of concealer to get the difference a little bit closer to our under eye, because right now it's really bright. If I wasn't applying any foundation, it would have been okay, because I'd probably just go with it that, but it's not, so I'm just going to apply a little bit here of the Milani concealer right here in the inner corner. And so then next time I highlight the skin as well. That is the skin so far. I'm going to use these two sticks. This is from the Orange You Glad collection. Collection's called. I can't think what it is, but you can still buy these individually. This is the blush stick in the shade Under Pressure. So I'm going to apply that on my cheeks. I know some people may say I bring my blush on far, but I like it. I'm going to use another beauty sponge and just going to use the semi-clean side of this one. I have to get these a deep clean soon. Just tap it in. Use the highlight stick, this one here. This one is in the shade Bullseye. This one has more golden undertones. And just using it to highlight right on the tops of my cheekbones, my nose, on the rounds of my cheeks. Keep its bow. I'm going to set my face lightly. I'm going to use the Blur and Pore Refining from Hard Candy. Taking my beauty blender, just tapping my under my eye, make sure there's not too many creases. And then taking the powder lightly, only a low amount, and dabbing it. Quickly do my brows. I'm going to use the ColourPop Precision Brow. This is in like shade. Can't think what the name of the shade is. Bangin' Brunette, maybe? Something like that. So I'm just going to quickly feather in the underside of my brow. And I follow my natural hairline. And that's it. Bitty X ColourPop Collab palette. Because it has some really nice like soft browny pinky shades. Taking a blending brush with the shade Bubblicious. And I'm just going to begin by tapping this into my crease area. And then I'm going to take the brush and blend it out. So much farther than this, because again, we're going to keep it light. I'm going to keep it spring. I'm going to slightly deepen up my outer corner, taking just a smaller tapered blending brush with the shade Jelly Baby. And just dab it out here. This one is a little more mauve-y. Again, I think I said in the review, don't pay attention to what these colors look like here. They do not look the same once you put them on your eyes. Back with that other blending brush, just to buff it. So kind of just like what we're gonna keep it at. For the lid, I'm going in with my tried and true Eye Spotlight Highlight Palette. Not mine, but I mean, like, they want to put my face on this. Go ahead. I'm gonna take a mixture of Radiance and Vivid, and just put that right on the lid. No really rhyme or reason how, just all over. And I've been liking to go just a little bit higher with my shimmers on my inner corner, like right up here, just because I've been finding it helps to like kind of open up the eyes a bit. I guess it rounds the eyes. Don't want it to be super cat eye and stuff, even though I really like that look on me. But we can achieve a little more of that when we put the lashes on, but I'm not going super cat eye today. Going back in with Bubblicious and just blending around all of that. Taking an angled brush, I'm going to just take a little bit of Hubba Bubba, the darker shade in the palette, and place that right next to my lash line. Then just taking that original brush, the blending brush, and buffing right below on the outer corner. It's pretty much going to be the eyes for eyeshadow. I'm going to take just a little bit of highlight for the inner corner. And for that one, I'm just going to use Dreams. Then to keep everything open and bright, I'm taking a white eyeliner. So with a white pencil, I'm just going to line my waterline. And like I always do, I'm going to set my waterline. A small concealer brush for that. Again, don't do this if you're not comfortable with putting powder like in your waterline stuff. We're gonna do the face now. Finish off the face. We're taking the Morphe palette. This is the one I've been using lately for all my bronzer. And this small little brush, and this is what I've been liking to use my bronzer. The last two shades in this, only a dab at the second last one. I'm going to begin by bronzing the skin. I'm not going heavy with contour because we're going for, again, a fresh face. So the difference between like this side and this side, it's just like sun, no sun, a little more dimension. Flat. I'm just going to take a little bit of blush. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in Feisty, just to enhance what we already put on. Only a little bit because we still have some below. I don't know where my makeup setting spray is, but I'm going to use the Smoothing Facial Mist from the Body Shop. This will just help to congeal somewhat on my powders, and because it's smoothing and hydrating as well, it'll help do something. Dabbing the skin. Actually, I'm not even going to put any lashes on today. I'm going to do only mascara, and I'm going to show you another product that I really like, because you always don't need mascara to have some long lashes. I'm going to show you how I do mine without any do my lashes. So before I do that, I'm going to take a eyeliner. This is just a brown one. And lightly line my upper waterline so that we fake the illusion of fake lashes. Take your eyelash curler, take your mascara, whichever one you want to use. Again, I still use the Lash Sport mascara from the Body Shop. This has been an absolute favorite of mine because it lasts all day. Taking the Lash Hero Fiber Lash Extension, and I'm only going to use the Fiber Lash part of this and use that on my lashes. Most people don't got weird about using these because like all the fibers and scared get them in your eyes and stuff. I haven't had an issue with it. Just gently do it. Don't put this too close to your base. I only use it near your tips because again, you're extending your lashes. You're not trying to make them a whole lot thicker. Back into the side. You want to apply it when the mascara is wet, only because when the mascara is wet, that's how the fibers are going to adhere to it. Oh, I do. I still have it. I don't know how old it is, but I'm going to use it. This is the ColourPop Lip Stain in Dark Cherry. I'm going to apply some just here in the center of my lip. And you can take your finger and feather it. It's like a Korean, kind of like beauty lip hack that they like to do. Kind of like, yeah, just drank some juice, sucked on a popsicle or something. Apply a little more. And feather it out. So I can't find my gloss, so I'm just going to use the Body Shop Shea Butter. Just add like a little bit of sheen on my lips. Take just a little bit and rubbing it on. The final look once I fix up my hair. Alright, so I just fixed up my hair a bit, just had to smoothen it out. And then I just took the straightener when I was smoothing everything and flipped the ends just slightly in under it-ish. Not too much that would curl, but enough to give it like some body on the end because I gave myself a blowout yesterday, but after sleeping and such, it's gone. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe, whichever side it's on. And I hope I'll see you guys in the next one.